Hi guys, we are off to our last breakfast ever in Vounaki because today we are setting off on our yacht. We are going, you know where we're going first? Okay, so we have to go to breakfast and then at 9:30 we are having a meeting. They will explain to us where we're going first on the flotilla. So yeah, we moved in, I moved all my stuff into the yacht, sort of organized it a little. Had my first night on the yacht last night. And now I'm just off to breakfast for the last time because we are about to leave Vounaki at 11, I think, 11ish, because our meeting is at 9:30. So I think we'll leave after the meeting. So yeah, I feel out of breath already. Waiting for our meeting, and I think we have some forms to fill in. What are they? Are they forms too?
Well, this is basically
our flotilla is called Rachel. Oh, can I show them, please?
Show who?
My audience.
I'm reading it.
Okay, I'll show you. Look. Sorry. Our lead crew are Tom, Joe, and Rory. And then we are on Isabella, as you can see, Simon and Ola. And all the other people are our crew. Oh my god, look at Daisy. Daisy is crowded. Oh, and these are all the places we are going to. We've been to Ability already. So anything at the back? Oh, at the back we have informations to fill in about the engine, the sails. I guess these are some of the informations we can fill in for the engineers. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of us. 11 boats, including the main one. We have our little document with all the flotillas and all of our crew and the people who will be traveling with us, and also the plan for the next few weeks, which is very exciting. We're going to Kalamos today. So now we'll see. I'm very excited. And Simon's just looking up Kalamos to see where we are going today. I think I might give it a little Google on my phone and see what information I can find out about the island, because I've never heard of it. So, show us again. So Kalamos, this is Vounaki there, as you can see, and then going all the way to Kalamos, over at the, is it the Mitikas Kalamos?
Not sure actually. Maybe it is.
Our new Preveza Flotilla. So we're here to make sure you guys are safe and happy out of the water. All like Dr. just said. I'm basically here to make sure the sails are okay and to go to, and we'll just tell you the ideal route we're going to try and follow. It's weather dependent, so if anything changes, we'll let you know in advance. But we'll try and stick.
This guy walked into a toilet when I was sort of done using it, and he started like looking at me and smiling, and I was like, what's going on? Like, why is he in the ladies' toilet and why is he smiling at me? And then he went, this is boys' toilet. And then finally he checked and it wasn't actually men's toilet. Thank God, that would be so embarrassing. I think it's kind of obvious once you go in that it's not. Well, I don't know, I've never been to boys' toilet, so maybe they are exactly the same. I feel like we are about to depart at our first destination, which I'm so excited about. I mean soon, probably not just yet, but maybe in the next 10-20 minutes we should depart to our next destination. We just put the engine on. And yeah, it's exciting. Oh yeah, we sorted out the lines, we set the lines to slip, so then we can easily get the boat going without having to be on the other side, because we wouldn't be able to do that ourselves. So yeah, this is so exciting. I can't wait to finally set off to our first destination. The weather is absolutely dreamy. I don't know if you can see. You should probably be able to tell. The weather is absolutely amazing. So nice, so hot.
Where do you want to be? It's a true wind. It's wind and depth.
Oh, wind and depth.
Wind speed and depth.
And then
That's the menu.
Oh no.
We don't know. We don't
Sorry.
want that. Hang on. What does
Can we
that
go
say?
back? Oh, here's the wind.
That's the wind direction, because this is what we need when we're sailing. Oh, that's scrolling through all the screens, and this is actually just scrolls the other way.
These are the ones that we need. So the main halyard and then the main sheet. So I will show you.
We don't need any of them, but we need to have. We release the reefs to hoist it, don't we? Main halyard lifted up. That's all clear. That should. I'd pull that. That should actually sail. It's on there, isn't it? Make sure it's free.
Set of jets yet because we are getting our wheel replaced, so this wheel that folds over, and the reason for that is this bit here, I don't know if you can see, doesn't go in all the way through, so basically this wheel folds like this, so then you have space to get through in and out, otherwise it's a very tight squeeze. But then when you unfold it, oh sorry, I'm gonna do it with this hand because I'm vlogging.
Neilson, Georgie, requesting radio check, over.
Ignore the...
Rachel, go ahead, over.
Uh-oh.
Thank you, out.
Okay, ignore the radio. This is the wheel, and look, it's meant to go in together, but it doesn't. So we can't actually screw this wheel over, so it's not working properly. So I think we're going to get that replaced. The engineer said he would replace it for us, so we can't set off just yet. But hopefully soon. I really hope we get this replaced. So, because for me, like, some people can force it in, but it's really difficult. But for me, I wouldn't be able to do it because I don't have that much strength. Just left Vounaki, and I'm on the wheel. Should we decide where to go?
We should really have done that before we set off.
I told you to do it.
Let's
but...
go down. Wait, there's a bay here. There's some power lines there that we could anchor there. And then we just go around the corner of the island. Just want to go there.
Do you want to?
Want to go there?
We just parked in Mitika. It's not on our list of places to go. We just decided to go and explore since we had a lot of time to spare. We couldn't really sail properly because there was no wind, so we decided we can sail this afternoon hopefully, but we decided to have a little stop and wander around this random harbour, and turns out it's beautiful around here. I think that's the best thing about sailing and owning a boat in general. You can just park and go to all these different islands that look incredible. This one is so stunning. I mean, I've not shown you the harbour yet just because we're quite busy with parking and a few people are helping us out, but I'm going to show you the harbour later. But the town in general is so different to anything you could possibly experience in England, and just so stunning. Look at all these buildings around. So yeah, we are here for lunch, and we're also going to get maybe a few bits from the supermarket and also have a little wander, explore a new town, because it's so nice. At least I think it's stunning. We are trying to find supermarkets or places to eat, like a restaurant or something, but all the places seems to be closed. Like, look at this one. All the supermarkets seem to be closed and we have no idea why. Just a bit strange. We walked past about 4 and they've all been closed, and it's Monday. is cool, you guys. Look, we have a football pitch and also like a basketball pitch. And that's what's cool. It looks a lot better than my old school, to be honest. You guys, I hated my school.
Pictures of Ola on the front.
Oh,
Pictures of you.
look at this gorgeous coast, you guys. Parked our yacht somewhere along there. It's quite a decent harbour, but it's mostly for smaller boats and for fishing boats. We didn't really get much yacht space. We're actually really worried that we wouldn't be able to park anywhere. However, some lovely guys from the shore, they said, oh, don't worry, we'll move our boats for you so you can park. So we actually managed to park and explore. So this is Isabella there. See, that's Isabella. And we have other yachts parked next to us. I think we have to go soon because we have to get to our destination and we are going to sail. We only have about 2 hours to get to our destination, so we have to hurry up. The wind picked up, so hopefully we'll be able to sail. We won't have to motor all the way down. I think the plan is to actually put our sails up, bring them up and try to make the most of the wind. It's definitely a lot breezier than it was before, so I mean, hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be able to sail, actually do some sailing, and yeah, we'll get to our final destination, have gin and tonic and dinner there. Look how gorgeous everywhere is. But now I'm gonna go on Isabella and we're going to go to our next destination, and I will definitely check with you there to tell you how it is. We just arrived to Kalamos and now we're going for gin and tonic. We parked sideways, or I did a side park, tied ourselves to the other boats that were there because it's a flotilla, so there are so many boats around, there was no way we could be able to find a space. It's called rafting. So, and now we are going for gin and tonic. So yeah, that's about it, and look at the Kalamos below.
In there too, but we can squeeze you. We'll be able to squeeze somewhere else. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, we're having our morning break there. Oh no, yeah.
Put us where you like, but that's where we'd like to eat.
No, that's fine. Yeah.
We were there. We've been there quite a few times, but we were there 3 years ago. So
All right. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's where we're having our morning briefing.
so we'd like to go back there.
That's breakfast.
Well,
That's why we do our morning briefing.
well, yeah, and also by this stage, you're not just but when you drink the energy.